Have you ever considered that something as simple as an evening fruit might quietly be stealing your night's rest? Many older friends with the best intentions believe they are making a healthy choice. Yet, this very habit could be the reason you find yourself waking at 2 or 3 in the morning, walking through the quiet darkness to the bathroom when your body longs to be in deep, healing sleep. In my years of guiding seniors from Boston to Bakersfield, I have seen the same surprise in their eyes when they discovered the truth. They had always blamed age, the prostate, or a weak bladder, but often the real cause was sitting right there on their dinner plate. Today, I will share with you how to eat bananas in a way that allows your bladder to rest, your mind to settle, and your body to sleep peacefully through the night. This is not a matter of medicine or prescriptions. It is about listening to the quiet wisdom of nature and using its gifts at the right time, in the right way, so that your bladder, your heart, and your mind can find the rest they deserve. I want you to imagine that tonight, instead of seeing your body as a problem to be fixed, you will treat it as a partner, one that responds when cared for with understanding. As we begin, picture where you are in this moment. Perhaps you are sitting in a comfortable chair, perhaps the afternoon light is fading, or maybe the night has already settled around your home. Wherever you are, remember that your story matters, because what we speak of here is not theory. It is life lived by you and by countless others who seek calm nights after the age of 65. Why do so many older adults experience the disruption of nighttime urination? One of the most overlooked reasons is a change deep inside the body. After 60, our production of a hormone called vasopressin begins to decline. This hormone, while we sleep, gently instructs the kidneys to slow down their work so that the bladder fills slowly through the night. When we are younger, this signal is strong and we can rest without interruption. But as the years pass, that signal fades. The kidneys, unaware that the night is meant for rest, continue to filter fluid almost as actively as they do during the day. The bladder fills sooner and the body calls you to wake. This is not a sign of failure, but a shift in the body's internal rhythm. And rhythms can be guided. By adjusting what we do in the evening, we can still move with the body's natural flow instead of against it. Another change comes from the bladder itself. In earlier years, it may have comfortably held 400 to 500 milliliters before sending an urgent message to the brain. In later years, that capacity can drop to about 150 milliliters, barely half a glass of water. Even a small amount of urine can now feel urgent. The bladder is not weak, only more sensitive. By reducing how much liquid we take in during the late evening and by giving the bladder time to be completely empty before bed, we reduce these false alarms. This is not harsh training, but a gentle retraining, teaching the body that it can wait a little longer. The kidneys also experience change. Their filtering units, called nephrons, work more slowly with age. This is natural, not disease. But when you lie down, something else happens. Fluid that has quietly collected in the lower legs during the day flows back into the bloodstream, and the kidneys suddenly receive more to process. They respond by producing urine, often at the very hours we most need deep rest. Think of someone who has spent the day sitting, perhaps reading or watching television, unaware that a little swelling has gathered at the ankles. Once they lie down, that hidden fluid moves and the body begins its night work. Yet this too can be eased through short evening walks, simple leg exercises, or elevating the legs for a time before bed, lightening the kidney's burden during the night. Habits around late drinking and eating also play a quiet role. Many people enjoy a warm drink or a light fruit in the evening, thinking it harmless. But green tea, milk, soups, or high-water fruits like watermelon all increase the bladder's load when taken late. I recall an older friend who sipped ginger tea at 9 o'clock each night to relax, only to find herself awake at 2 every morning. When she shifted her tea to 6 o'clock and limited late fluids to just a few sips, her nights grew longer and calmer. The simple lesson: take most of your day's fluids before late afternoon and let the evening be a time of gentle dryness. Why does this matter so much? Because broken sleep is not just about feeling tired. Each time you wake, the deep stages of rest are interrupted, blood pressure can fluctuate, the heart may strain under sudden changes. In the darkness, rushing to the bathroom, you may feel dizzy or unsteady, a moment when falls or dangerous spikes in pressure can occur. Protecting your sleep is not simply about comfort, it is about protecting your heart, your brain, and your safety. Nighttime urination in older adults is rarely caused by a single factor. It is often a blend of natural aging and small repeated habits. Yet the bladder and kidneys are not beyond help. They can still respond if we respond to them. By understanding these shifts and making gentle adjustments, earlier drinking, avoiding watery foods at night, light movement in the evening, you can reclaim stretches of uninterrupted rest. This is not a battle against age, it is a conversation with it. When you work with your body instead of against it, the night becomes your ally again. The hours between dusk and dawn can once more be a time when the mind grows quiet, the body restores itself, and the morning greets you not with fatigue, but with a renewed sense of clarity and strength. Bananas and the way they influence sleep hold a simple yet profound truth. Let us look at what science quietly reveals about this familiar fruit and why it can be such a gentle ally for rest, especially as the years advance. First, bananas are naturally low in acid. This is one of their quiet strengths. Unlike citrus fruits such as oranges, pineapples, or raw tomatoes, a ripe banana does not irritate the delicate lining of the bladder. For many people over 60, that lining becomes more sensitive. Eating an acidic fruit in the evening can trigger irritation and the urge to urinate, sometimes only hours after lying down. A banana, however, soothes instead of stings. Ending the evening with a fruit that calms rather than agitates can mean the difference between sleeping peacefully through the night and waking twice before dawn. Second, bananas are rich in potassium. A medium-sized banana contains roughly 400 milligrams of this mineral, which supports the smooth relaxation of muscles, including the muscle walls of the bladder. When these muscles remain relaxed, they are less likely to send unnecessary urgent messages to the brain, particularly when the bladder is only partially filled. Including a banana in the early evening can quietly strengthen this balance, not only supporting muscle health, but also helping regulate electrolytes, especially important for those who watch their blood pressure. This natural approach works without strain or force, simply allowing the body to function as it was meant to. Third, bananas provide magnesium, a mineral known for calming the nervous system. As we age, the nerves that signal the bladder can become overactive, sending messages to urinate even when there is little need. Magnesium acts like a gentle hand on the shoulder, encouraging these nerves to rest. For those who find their mind unsettled at bedtime, magnesium can also ease tension throughout the body, making it easier to drift into deep, uninterrupted sleep. This is not a matter of magic or mystery. It is simply giving the body what it quietly requires to feel safe enough to rest. Fourth, bananas contain tryptophan, an amino acid that serves as a building block for serotonin and melatonin, the brain's natural mood and sleep regulators. In later years, the production of these chemicals can decline, making sleep lighter and more easily disturbed. Tryptophan helps restore this balance, encouraging the brain to release calming neurotransmitters that guide the body into restorative sleep. For someone who wakes at the smallest sound, this support can mean the difference between a restless night and one that flows undisturbed until morning. Fifth, bananas are easy to digest. Unlike heavy desserts or snacks rich in complex carbohydrates, their natural sugars are quickly broken down and absorbed. This lightness means the digestive system works less in the late evening, reducing pressure on the bladder from a full stomach. Many underestimate how much indigestion can contribute to nighttime urination. Replacing a heavy snack with a ripe banana often results in less digestive strain, a calmer bladder, and an easier transition to rest. Finally, there is the proof found in lived experience. Consider the story of Margaret, a 68-year-old retired teacher from Vermont. For years, she woke twice a night, believing this was an unchangeable part of aging. when she learned about the timing and benefits of bananas. She decided to try one ripe banana at 6:30 in the evening, without tea, coffee, or milk afterward. Within a week, she was sleeping 6 straight hours for the first time in years. Her mornings felt lighter, her legs less heavy, and her mood noticeably brighter. She often says she never imagined something so simple could give her back her nights. The lesson is clear. Bananas are not a miracle drug, nor are they a cure for every sleep problem, but they are a quiet tool, perfectly shaped by nature, that when used with care, at the right time in the right way, can help the body find the stillness it longs for in the night. In the same way, a soft voice can calm a restless mind. A ripe banana can calm the bladder and soothe the nerves, making way for the deep, uninterrupted sleep that restores energy for the day to come. Bananas are more than a simple fruit on the table. They can be a quiet gift to your bladder, your heart, and your mind. They ask for no cooking, no special equipment, and no costly preparation, only the right timing and a bit of mindful attention. For older adults across America, from the quiet towns of Vermont to the busy streets of Chicago, this is a small habit that can slip easily into everyday life. Eating a banana in the right way